Okay, today we are going to be doing part 4 of my fidget collection in poppets and dimples. This is probably going to be the most fun one. I'm fidgeting with all of them. And so yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to do the dimples first because I have lessons. So the first one is this gigantic dimple. It's like a, you know, like pick apart and stuff. Just fidget with one. But I just kind of has one. And then there's some that are fidget spinners too. And so you can also do this like this. Okay, I'm gonna and that like spins. I did it. And then let me just these back on here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then the next one I have my sister got for me for Christmas. Or not Christmas, my birthday. Okay. Here's the pops of it. Can you guys name all the plans of that looking? Okay, the next one is this pizza one. I got it from Learning Express. It's a top trend one. So also guys, for this one, I also have one that's on my backpack. It's a little gummy bear. It's really fun, but I don't have it either. Then we have this one. It's a classic dimple. I got it at Marshall's. The classical dimple. It's not a real dimple though. And then now we're gonna do the poppets. Do you see why I did not make that whole category? Because that would have been like a 2-minute long video. Okay. So the first poppet is this one. I'm gonna pop each one on the good side. Pop to like a row on the good side. This one now. So this one came in a set with it. With them. Okay, let's hear. Okay. Next one is this unicorn one. I used to be obsessed. with unicorns. So yeah, here's the pops of it on the longest row. Okay. The next one is this circle poppet. Here's the pops. On the bad side, on the good side. And then this next one is the turtle. I got this at, by the way, I got this one from a trade and this one from Disney. This one I got from Target. It's a little turtle. Got in one of the fidget packs. And then here's the pops of the biggest row. Next I got this Cleveland Brown poppet. Somebody I know gave this to me. Okay, let's pop it. Okay, the next one is this hexagon. Let's hear it. Pretty loud. Okay, next one is this butterfly. By the way, I got this from Five Below. Next one is this butterfly. Okay, next one is is this hard shell poppet. Let's hear it. Next one is this little octopus. My grandma got this for me. Oh, I got this at Five Below. I don't remember if I said it or not. Okay. This next one I also got from Five Below. It's a glow in the dark pumpkin. Wait a second. I will be right back momentarily. See how much it glows. It doesn't glow that good, honestly, but you can see it a little bit. I shined on my different lights. Okay, the next one is, oh my gosh. Okay, that's where this one is. I haven't seen this one in like a decade or, I'm using an exaggeration by the way. I got this one at Dollar General. Pops of it. This Cleveland Brown one. Here's the pops. Okay, Top Trends Flamingo, one of my faves. My brother got this for me. I'm just gonna pop the whole thing and then re-pop it. Okay, next one is this popsicle. This used to be my dream poppet. I got it, so. Minnie Mouse. I got this from the Outlet Mall, I think. Okay, the next one is this Truckling Word Poppet. What was I gonna say? Oh, I got this from a trade. I just knew it was a Target one because on the side right here, it literally says Poppet! Exclamation point. It's like and then the site has Truckling More, so I just knew it. And they traded it for me for, let me find it, for this Poppet, with the yellow one. Like, that's a good trade, but okay. See the pops? Okay. Then I've got this ghost. I don't really like it that much. It doesn't even glow like it said did. Let me show you. Where did my remote control go? Where did it go? Okay, here it is. See, it doesn't glow at all. Okay, the next one is also supposed to be glow in the dark. Here's the pops on a good side. Let's see if it glows in the dark. And look, it actually does. How cool. You can't really tell because I have my thingamajig, I forget what it's called, plugged in. So, like the thing that puts us into the room, I forget what it's called, plugged in, and it has a light on it. My last poppet is one of my faves. It's Olaf. Okay, those are all my poppets and dimples. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow for foams, magnets, and fidget spinners. I don't have like mini magnets. I just have like this whole big clump of it, so I'm just gonna be like, these are my magnets, and then foam and fidget spinners. Bye guys, hope you liked today's video. Come back tomorrow for another video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye!